G'day folks, I just want to show you the versatility of the Wedge fire pit and how simply it goes together. It's our unique fire pit that we invented here, and it's called the Wedge fire pit by slotmein.com.au. Here's a fire pit that now has burned over 700 fires. Simply, I've got this on a trolley that just rolls around in our factory here on our concrete. I'm going to show you how to assemble basically the fire pit from scratch and just go through some of the unique features. Okay, so we simply take the short side here, which you'll see our unique branding, the Wedge, in there, which is our product, and the long side. The slotmein.com.au is there for drafting of the fire as well. So you simply take the long side and the short side, and the two unique slots simply engage like such. Repeat the process like such. Again, just slot to slot. Here's where we have our unique angle bar, which comes in underneath, slides in underneath, and then you simply take the other corresponding long piece and engage that in to the slot like such. Count the seconds on the video, that didn't take long at all, and no, I wasn't rushing that. That's your base fire pit. Now this fire pit is designed to be sitting in a tray, so the multi-tools which come with the Ultimate Combo Kit have two lifting lugs here, so I'll simply move that out of the way just to show you how they're used. They're also used as a fire poker. Just one finger to one finger, you can see it's quite easy to move around. Comes with a unique under tray. Now the under tray is designed to be filled with water, so we'd fill that with water before we light our fire. That will protect the grass as well, so I've burnt fires for 3-4 days at camping and caravan shows, and the grass is as good as the day we first got there. Use it at home on the lawn and you're not going to damage the lawn as well. Won't leave an ugly black scar at camp for the next camper, by the way, either. So it's quite an environmental thing. When the ash and embers fall out through the branding on the side, they self-extinguish into the water as well. So there's a little inbuilt safety feature. Multi-tools are used also for poking the coals around. Also comes with two longitudinal cooking support bars. This is our Ultimate Combo Kit. Simply engage those in, they just slide in the corresponding slots. That's why we named our product slotmein.com.au. Now you've got two low cooking support bars there. Take the multi-tool now with the angled section, you can lift things like the camp oven on and off your fire pit and cook like such. Also very handy too for lifting the lid up, and you can hold and support that lid to check what's inside and how everything's progressing with the cook. So we'll simply take that off. Again, comes with 4 more cooking support bars, so you can either just engage 2 of them and you can be cooking at 2 different heights, or simply put all 4 on. We manufacture 4 types of hot plate in 2 different grades of steel. One's an Excella plate and one's in stainless steel. 1 combo grill and 1 full hot plate. This is our full stainless hot plate with inverted or folded up edges, so your food will not roll off and fall into the fire. Simply sits on top like such, and you've got a full fired up barbecue ready to go. Or you can use those cooking support bars to, again, cook your camp oven up at a higher level. You can be cooking something else at the other end. Also comes with some spit attachments, so if you want to have a rotisserie, again, there's no tools or fixings required. They just simply engage in each end like such, and that will receive a standard rotisserie motor, and you will have a spit rotisserie there on your fire pit. It also comes with a set of rigger's gloves, heavy duty leather gloves, just for handling the steel, and also it all goes into this beautifully constructed heavy duty canvas storage bag, and it packs down to 650 by 450 by a complete 25mm thick. So it'll take up next to no space in your vehicle, and you can take this anywhere with you. Packs down to 20.9 kilos. We use 4mm blue scope Excella plate. I stress it's 4mm, not 3mm, like a lot of cheap imitation fire pits that will burn out and will not do the distance. This also has our unique V-bar underneath, so those 2 plates cannot possibly spread. No matter how hot that fire gets, those 2 plates can't separate because of our angled V-bar underneath. So there you go folks, the Wedge fire pit and camp cooker by slotmein.com.au. Cheers folks, was from Oz.